Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the exact disable message in your Google business profile so you know the rejection category. Have your verification documents ready, government ID, business license, or utility bill, because you will need to upload them immediately. Make sure you can access the account email and any linked Google ID. If you cannot, regain access first through account recovery. Once done, capture screenshots of the disabled notice and any recent account edits to support your appeal. Now you submit a focused appeal via the official form, selecting the precise disable reason so reviewers see your intent. Attach labeled, high-quality scans showing name and address match, plus interior photos that prove a real location. In the explanation field, briefly outline what changed and when, linking to your screenshots and support documents. Keep it factual and chronological. After submission, monitor the appeal email daily and be prepared to respond promptly to follow-up verification. You complete recovery by actively following up. When Google asks for more info, reply quickly and upload any missing evidence. If the appeal is denied, request a human review and submit clarifying documents that directly address the rejection points. Make sure your listing complies with Google's local business policies, remove prohibited content, verify category accuracy, and consolidate duplicate locations. If things still fail, escalate through the support community or partner channels, and keep a clear log of every interaction.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.